Welcome to Trafficcrush, the social networking traffic generator software for Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and link clocking software. Let's see how it works. Just go for YouTube, where you can create a video in 2 to 3 seconds. Let's see how we are going to create a YouTube video. And select the photos, and it takes just 2 to 3 seconds. Just type your text, whatever you want, and create a video. Yeah, just the video is ready, where you can play on it, or you can click on download. It will allow you to download the video. It is downloaded on your system. Once you're downloaded, upload on your YouTube, like what I just did. Upload the videos on your YouTube and generate the backlink for that. Just copy the URL and go for one-stop SEO, where you can generate a backlink maker. Just enter the URL and click on submit. Now you can see the blank link maker as generating the backlink for your YouTube video. You can see the message status as a success. It's a very strong, powerful tool which is able to identify it perfectly. So this is the way where you can generate the backlink for your YouTube video URL, YouTube software, and you can just view the YouTube keywords. What are the keywords you need to find out? Maybe just type from any keywords like marketing, where it will going to display the list of keywords for your videos. Or you can just search from a YouTube, just type the video ID, and you can just get entire SEO titles and description for the video. So you can just get all the title and the keywords, and you can just download and tag as a keyword as a CSV file. Once you have done, you can just create a video in fraction of seconds, generate the blank link, and find the particular keywords and as well as the descriptions for the particular video, or you can just suggest from the YouTube keywords and copy and paste it. This is how YouTube works. Now let's see how our Instagram software works. Instagram software is just like find your targeted audience. Just click on users, search targeted user, just type marketing and click on search. The hashtag is marketing. It will going to display all the Instagram username that has been related to marketing. So you can just see, just select all and add to this list and edit this list as marketing Trafficcrush list. All the Instagram usernames will be there, and just click on update list. Just go for your messages, and you can create a new message, whatever message you want. Just create a new list. I'm just going to create a new list called affiliate. I'm just going to paste this and just add this message to my list, marketing Trafficcrush list. I'm going to send message like affiliate as my message list, and I can just click on send message, where I can just send it, or I can use my copy this and paste it and edit it whatever I want, and I just can send this to a Trafficcrush list Instagram users. All these users will receive a message when I click on send message. These are where you can generate traffic and where you can promote your affiliate for this particular product or for your own product. This is how it's going to work on it. Now we are going to see about how it works. Twitter is like we have an automation, is a main traffic generation software where you can do auto follow, auto unfollow, auto retweet, auto like, and auto direct messages. Once you add Twitter account to our application, you can just click on auto follow. You can select our account. You can just send auto follow using the hashtags. For example, you can just follow marketing. The hashtag is added. So any users marketing in the Twitter account, the message you are just going to auto follow automatically. You can just make it slow, medium, fast, and click on save. Automatically going to send the campaign and auto follow all the marketing tags users for users, where you can just auto retweet. You can just retweet it, just select it. You can just retweet using hashtag or within usernames, or you can just auto like all the hashtags related to marketing. Just select your Twitter account, and you can just click on all the like for all the hashtag used on the marketing, and you can just send auto direct messages and much more. This is our Twitter account is work on it. Apart from that, for these three software, we are going to provide an image editors called image finder and image editor. Image finder, it is going to display all the and create a YouTube video, or you can just post it on Twitter, or you can post it on Instagram, whatever you want. and you can just click on editor. You can just click on image editor where you can edit your own image and save it. Maybe you can just open, you can just click on open photo, and you can just click on this, and you can add text or you can edit text, whatever you want to do. You can just do it by click on text. And this is an add-on feature where you can just use our editors for searching images and editing your images and uploading those images on our YouTube video or our Twitter account, or you can use those images on our Instagram software where you can just send messages and much more to generate traffic software for your business. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Please let me know if you have any questions.